pre-made textures and objects and environments. You have to create everything on your own. And you may be like thinking, "Ah, fuck you!"
What do you got, game? Come at me. Come at me, bro. Ah! I am sorry! I did not mean any of what I just said. I take it back. Piss off. Open the door. Go through the door. Walk.
God, this fucking tree. Okay. Why do you scream? Why do you scream? Are you one of those tree lovers? Trichomania or whatever it's called? Huh? Huh? You like this? You like when Granny is slapping you? Is that it? Is that what you're screaming? Don't get it. Oh, okay. Okay. That's just... Oh, that's not my lamp! Fell down for you! Hope you're happy. I slap your vagina!